tripping out. Go.
It's already recording? What do I do now?
Welcome to my house. Hi. It's your first time here. Dang. Why you give me no rent? You're not gonna play this. Y'all were late, so we're not playing. How about this? Dang. Put it right in there. Put it over here. Thank you. Okay, so the first icebreaker. Okay, the first icebreaker is called Love Senses. Take one, pass it down. Okay.
Good teacher.
See all those materials over there? My class. All right, so you're going to answer those questions the best way you want to. It's individual work, no group work. And then if you want to share after you fill them in, we will share. If you want to, you don't have to.
That's what I was
I need a answer.
There's some over there. You cannot use permanent markers.
Can you bring
There's color pencils over there. I ain't got no pen. Yeah, so if you want to share after, you can. You guys are going to have 10 minutes to finish. 10 minutes, so you guys can start.
First Corinthians. What does love sound like? I put unicorn the rainbows. I couldn't think of anything.
All right, who's next? Gigi. You want to go?
Go, Gigi.
Go, Gigi, go.
Hello.
Hi, Gigi.
That's that. Where it says what's love, I put God. What does love look like? I say really. What does love?
Need a microphone.
Hello everybody, I'm Celine.
Hi, Celine.
Okay, so I said for what is love, I put 1 Corinthians. Okay, what does love look like?
You put 13.
I'm saying all the rest.
I didn't want to get technical.
Sorry.
Anyways, what does love look like? I put, you ever watch Love and Basketball?
Yeah. Wait, he played her face though.
And he did.
Unpopular opinion. It's not that.
Also put surrounded by family. And then for smell, I put vanilla.
See?
For taste, I put Haitian food.
Yeah.
What does love feel like? Buying anything I want without looking at my bank account.
That's crazy.
What does love sound like? Having your favorite song on an island or just having an instrumental and just being relaxed.
I'm not.
Okay, what is love? I said me because I am love and love is me.
Girl.
You feel me? You feel me?
Yeah.
Anyways, what does love look like? I just put beautiful. Whatever you think beautiful. You can. What does love smell like? I put a fragrant rose. What does love taste like? I just put sweet and clean. I don't know if that makes sense. It makes sense. Like sweet.
Yes.
Okay. What does love feel like? I feel like walking on air, walking on clouds. You know that feeling, you know, chills, goosebumps. That's what I gotta give y'all imagery. I was like going through when I was writing. All right. And then what does it sound like?
Imagery.
You know how wind just like gentle wind?
God is love. Yep. What does love look like? I put a candle in the dark. What does love smell like? I put fresh air. Yes. What does love taste like? Seafood bowl.
Wow.
What does love feel like? A warm hug. What does love sound like? The ocean.
Beautiful.
So peaceful.
Anyway, love looks like 1 Corinthians 13. What does love smell like? My future man. Love tastes like Haitian food. Love feels like warm hugs and kisses. And it sounds like 90s R&B music.
Hi, my name is Abby.
Hi, Abby.
Okay, so I said, what is love? I said love is an action. She did.
Yep.
And I said, what does love look like? I said Jesus in John 3:16. I said, what does love smell like? I said sweet. And
Spicy.
she said him. I said, who is him? I said, what does love taste like? Oxtail, legume, and lalo.
Wow.
What does love feel like? Fuzzy and warm. And then I said, what does love sound like? I said his voice.
Period. Okay. So for what is love, I put God, obviously. What else could I put? What does it look like? Healthy communication, honest friendships, and loving commitment. What does it smell like? Home cooked meals, my husband's favorite cologne, and my perfume trait of the week. That's not me. What does it taste like? Chocolate covered anything and me.
Yeah,
What does it feel like? Anything soft, hugs, and intimacy. What does it sound like? Worship music, laughing friends, and kids having fun. By kids, I mean my niece and nephews.
Beautiful.
Okay, next.
I got really excited. Wait.
Hi guys, we're back.
Turn up. Damn.
Where's the music? Put the music on.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Make out word.
Burning bright. Check and balance everything inside my mind. Baby, trust me. You can't fool energy on my logo. Boyfriend, me on contracts. I'm a let.
I carry God, so I fear nothing. Steady increasing the commas.
Know your phonological skills, increase them commas, okay? Make her shells now. I'm getting more. We know.
Oh my God, you gon' amaze me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't can make my own name, cause that's an interference that'll take it from my home game. They're trying to sell me tickets in the
All right, guys, let's get it. Okay, the judges are ready. Where are the teams? Teammates, who wants to present first?
Right here.
Our first drink that we have is Blossomita's.
Ooh.
What it is? Do we say what's in it?
You could tell them, the judges.
We have a little bit of lemonade, a little bit of razzle dazzle, a little bit of strawberries, and yeah, sugar too, with a little nice complimentary rose. Everything by scratch.
By scratch.
From scratch.
I mean,
Christina, shut up.
Eat the sugar too. Yeah, you mix the sugar.
Ooh,
Seconds, okay. No, Jade.
Be quiet.
The lemon's good.
And this is a Valentine's theme. You know, this is really for like the grown folks. Okay? This is the cream on me. Okay?
What?
And then some fresh strawberries blended, and to add some extra little flavor, we added some cherry juice in there. Then we have an ice cream scoop right on top of it with whipped cream. You know, garnished it with our little baby cute little bottle and some cherries.
Hence the cream. Enjoy.
Oh,
Wow.
Wow. Straws. Hold on. Wait.
Dang.
But it's cream.
But it's
And it's on you. And it's on you.
Her drink, the name is Hugger Pooch. Smooch. Ooh. Hugger Smooch. Okay.
Oh,
Hence the kisses.
hence the kisses. Bailey. This girl.
Ice cream.
Serious.
Vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Vodka, Tito's vodka.
Mm-hmm. Strawberry syrup. And some strawberries.
Okay, the judges are gonna take 5 minutes. Not even.
A long and hard decision. We've reached the final verdict, and it is.
Shh, whisper. All right. Where's the teams? Right here. All right, judges.
We got Team Sanasia.
That's hilarious. All right, judges. What do you decide?
Drum roll.
Drum, 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 drum.
And the winner is.
Yeah, like what was the point?
Oh my God! Come on.
No, the winner.
It was a very, very tough decision, considering that we liked. It was a tough call.
Right.
But the final decision was Cynthia and
this one.
Just accept it. I love the presentation. Right? Yeah. And the cherries. The cherries got y'all. The name did it for me.
The name is.
What was the taste? The taste.
I told you the taste.
Okay. It was very sweet, and I love sweet drinks. Like it was when I was in the bar, it was sweet, and this was sweet. So you was thinking like me. Yes. Always sweet. Okay.
Was it your parents?
Everybody's a winner in my eyes. Don't worry, that's fine. All right, let's sing How do you get